see, Blue has helped himself to a used toilet paper roll. Now, normally, people would say, this is bad. The dog is rummaging through the trash can. But instead, you need to recognize the dog precisely rummaged through the trash can and grabbed one particular item, one of his favorite items. So instead of getting mad and reprimanding the dog, it's always important to reward the dog for using his intellect. Good boy, Blue! You see, he could have made a huge mess in the trash can, but instead he just grabbed his one singular favorite item. And because of that, you gotta reward the dog and tell him he's being a good boy. Good boy, Blue! It's important to always use positive reinforcement so the dog views cooperation as a constructive theme and has a compelling reason to be a good team player.